Walking one morning in May, I met a young couple so fond of astray. One was a young man so sweet and so fair, and the other was a soldier, the brave grenadier. And a kiss so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm like sister and brother. They went on along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. Out of his knapsack he took a fine fiddle. He played her such merry tunes that you ever did hear. He played her such merry tunes that the valleys did ring. And they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they come to each other. They went down and along the road like sister and brother. They went on and along the road till they came to a stream. And they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. I'm off to India for 7 long years, drinking wines and strong whiskey instead of strong beer. And if I return again, 'twill be in the spring, where we'll both sit down together to hear that nightingale sing. And a kiss so sweet and comforting as they come to each other. They went on along the road like sister and brother. They went on along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. Soldier, oh soldier, will you marry me? Oh no, says the soldier, that never can be. For I have my own wife in my own country. She is the sweetest girl that you ever did see. And they kiss so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went on along the road like sister and brother.